It's time for the last lesson in the intermediate active section of this course. So you have been making food while being aware of the breath. You have brushed your teeth, cleaned your home, been outside walking in the woods or in a calm park. You have been sitting in a school bus full of noisy children or other places where there are a lot of crying children. And now I want you to walk through the busiest part of your city, where you can't walk even 1 meter without bumping into somebody, and there's a million cars and the stuff is happening everywhere around you. So it is like literally walking through a tsunami of people and things happening. And I want you to, as you know, be aware of your breath while doing it. And I want you to walk around here for an hour. So, you'll burn a few calories as well. And no matter what happens, you remain centered on your breath. And also feel free to pick ways you don't usually walk. So you get not only all the people going around, but also new experiences, new impressions, or at least more rare impressions because you don't go there so often. So no matter what thoughts or emotions awakens in you during this walk, you just acknowledge them, they're there, but you don't cling to them, you don't push them away, you simply return to your breath. Exhale, inhale. That's it. You are your own complete being, experiencing this interesting life. And feel free to do this whenever you're walking to work, whenever you're going out at all. Use the walking as a way to meditate. So connect the silence and the peace to the act of walking. Okay, I'm outside walking. Time to be aware of my breath. I'll see you in the next video.